barbecued onions. They're delicious on dogs as well. Instead of a chili dog, do a barbecued onion dog. Yum, yum, yum. So while that's thickening up, you can make the spiced turkey burgers. Now, for half-pound burgers, of course, you're gonna get 4 burgers out of 2 pounds. Now, 2 pounds can also make 6 smaller burgers. Some people like thin patties, some people like thick patties. I like, especially with turkey, because you have to cook it all the way through, of course. Nobody wants a rare turkey burger. I like to make 4 half-pounders because you got to cook them all the way through, so they shrink down a little. I started with my mom's trick for flavorful burgers, whether it's beef or pork or turkey or what have you. Grated onion. Grate a little onion, 3 or 4 tablespoons of onion for every 4 burgers, down over the bowl so all the onion juice falls into the meat. It is so delicious when it goes all through the meat as you mix up the burgers and cook them up. Then, because it's me, I'm gonna put garlic in. Of course, I put garlic in everything. I smell like garlic. If you're ever near me or on my show, you'll see I smell like a salami, basically. Had to marry a man that likes garlic, because that's what I smell like. Oh, to garlic. Okay, so a couple of large cloves of garlic, lots of coarse black pepper, a little kosher salt. Now we're gonna add in about a teaspoon, a round teaspoon each, or a third of a palmful of smoky cumin, ground cumin. Delicious. Nice bright coriander. Cumin and coriander like to hang out together. They're good buddies, they're tight. So we got about the same amount of coriander. And then smoked paprika. Yum. I know. So a nice round tablespoon of smoked paprika goes down in there. Take your rings off, I already did. Give it a little drizzle of olive oil. I like a mixture of the dark and light meat. So I buy a turkey blend that's about the same as ground chuck, 80%. If you want these super lean and very figure friendly, you could buy ground turkey breast, which is 99% fat free. Just add a little more olive oil to it so it doesn't stick when it hits the skillet. Then just get in there and get her done. Now, anytime you're making a burger, make your patties a little bit thinner at the center and thicker at the edges for even cooking, and because patties swell when you cook them. Then you won't end up with patties that look like flying saucers that are raw in the middle and burnt at the edges. I'm gonna get the patties in the skillet. Come on back, I'll show you how to top them. Started to melt the cheese over the burgers. I'm just waiting for the last one here. This is super sharp cheddar. And if you want it to melt quick, you can just shred it up instead of slicing it up. Super sharp cheddar down over our spiced turkey burgers. Put a little tinfoil tent over the pan. And these burgers are spicy because they have smoked paprika, smoky cumin, and bright coriander, lots of black pepper, garlic, and onion, all running through the burger itself. And then we're gonna top it with our homemade barbecued onions. Look how they've thickened up, and look at that gorgeous color. Delish. Now, to serve up this burger, I'm gonna chop up some lettuce, some nice crispy romaine hearts, and I've got some beautiful sliced, deli sliced pickles to go on the burgers. Now, all we need is the bun. If you watch my show, you probably know one of my 2 dirty secrets. I cannot make coffee, it's terrible. And the other thing I am infamous for is setting bread on fire. Therefore, I have a stunt double toast all of my bread on this show. Her name is Jeanette. Jeanette, bring the buns. Thank you, Jeanette. Look at that. Beautiful buns. So these are Jeanette's perfect buns. I love Jeanette's mom and dad are in the audience today. I love that they were here for a very special moment for their daughter. So now, we're going to take some of our crunchy lettuce, put that down on the bottom. Then we're gonna put our tangy pickle slices, right like that. Then we're gonna check our cheese over here. Hello, little buddies, how you doing? Who wants to come to the party? Come over here. We got some nice cheesy burger to go on top of that. And then down on top of that, I know your head's gonna explode, the barbecued onions.